So what's a panzanella? It's kind of a cool word to say. Panzanella. It makes you sound very Italian. It's an Italian country salad, and the whole point behind it is to like use up excess bread. Like in Europe, people eat a lot of bread, and sometimes, it kind of hangs around and goes stale, and it's not great, but when you're living in the country, you don't waste food. So you have to find other uses for all these leftovers, right? So in a panzanella, what we do is we take our old bread, or you can use new bread, and you chop it up into pieces and you throw it in the oven and you toast it so they're nice, kind of tender, crisp little chunks of bread. Not quite croutons. You don't want them crunchy. You want them crispy on the outside and, kind of still soft, tender in the middle. So a traditional panzanella is made with tomato and basil and bread and vinegar and a couple of other things, but you can put whatever you want in it. So we're gonna get a little creative with our panzanella today. We're gonna kind of stick with the original, traditional way to make it, but we're gonna add something fun as well. Now this is a perfect way to use up any little bits and bobs hanging out in your refrigerator. If you've got an extra onion, if you've got extra cheese, if you've got extra fresh herbs, if you've got extra anything, like any vegetable, pretty much any, you can throw fruit in here if you want. If you've got extra meat lying around, like a piece of steak that you didn't finish the night before, you can toss that in there as well. This is a super easy salad that comes together crazy fast and is so filling and delicious.